Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Modern Talk English, the place where you learn English through real stories and real motivation. Today's story is special. It's about a man who changed the world with his ideas. But his journey wasn't easy. His name is Albert Einstein, the genius who never gave up. In this story, you will learn simple English sentences that you can use every day, while also discovering powerful life lessons from Einstein's amazing journey. So stay with me till the end, because I'll also share some useful vocabulary and easy practice tips that will help you speak English confidently, just like a fluent learner. Are you ready? Let's begin the story of Albert Einstein, the genius who never gave up. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists in history. But did you know? He couldn't speak properly until he was 4 years old. His teachers even thought he was a slow learner. But inside his mind, a genius was growing. Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. He was a quiet boy, but he loved to think and ask questions. He always wanted to know how things work: the stars, the sky, the light. While other kids played, he kept asking why and how. Let's learn some easy English sentences from this part of his life. He was born in Germany. He loved to ask questions. He was different from other children. He wanted to understand everything. Simple, right? Repeat after me. And remember, just like Einstein, every great learner starts with curiosity. Albert Einstein was very different from other children. He didn't speak quickly. He didn't answer questions in class. His teachers thought he was lazy. Some even said, "He will never be successful." But Einstein just smiled quietly. He was thinking, always thinking. At school, he often failed in some subjects. He wasn't good at memorizing things. Many people laughed at him. Even his friends didn't understand him. But deep inside, Einstein did not give up. He believed that one day he would show the world who he really was. He kept reading, learning, and asking questions. His mind was full of dreams, big dreams that others couldn't see. And remember these powerful phrases. Say them with me. Never give up. Keep trying. Believe in yourself. Because failure doesn't mean you are weak. It means you are learning. Just like Einstein, every time you make a mistake, you get smarter and stronger. Albert Einstein was full of curiosity. He always wanted to know why things happen. When he saw the stars, he asked, "Why do they shine?" When he saw light, he wondered, "How does it work?" He never stopped asking questions, because questions lead to learning. Einstein once said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." That means he learned so much because he never stopped wondering. Now, let's connect this to you, the English learner. If you keep asking questions in English, your English will grow faster and stronger. Don't be afraid to ask why, how, or what. Let's practice some easy English question patterns together. Why is this? How does it work? What does it mean? These small questions make your mind open, just like Einstein's. So remember, the more you ask, the more you learn. After many years of thinking, failing, and trying again, Einstein made a big discovery. It was called the theory of relativity. Sounds difficult, right? But let's make it simple. Einstein found that time and space can change. They are not always the same for everyone. He showed the world that the universe works in amazing and unexpected ways. His ideas changed science, technology, and even how people see the world. But here's the lesson for you, the English learner. Einstein changed the world because he changed how he thought. And you can do the same. When you change your way of thinking, everything becomes possible. Even speaking English fluently. Let's practice some motivational English sentences together. I can learn English. Nothing is impossible. Small steps make big changes. Repeat these lines every day. They are short, simple, and powerful. Remember, you don't need to be a genius like Einstein. You just need to believe, practice, and never stop learning. Albert Einstein's life teaches us something very powerful. He was curious. He practiced every day, and he never gave up. No matter how hard life became, he showed that success doesn't come from being perfect, but from trying again and again. And you can follow the same mindset to learn English. Be curious. Ask questions when you don't understand. Practice English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your best teachers. And most importantly, never stop learning. Let's say some simple advice together. Practice English every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Keep asking questions. Albert Einstein didn't become great in one day. He practiced his ideas every single day. He kept thinking, testing, and improving. He believed that a small amount of effort every day can lead to big success over time. And that's the same secret for learning English. If you practice English daily, even for 10 minutes, you will see amazing results. Read a few lines, listen to English sounds, speak out loud. Just keep moving forward. Let's practice some easy English sentences together. I learn something new every day. I practice speaking every morning. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Say them with confidence. Because every time you practice, your English becomes stronger. Just like Einstein's ideas became brighter with practice. Albert Einstein showed us that intelligence is not about being fast. It's about never giving up. He proved that even if people don't believe in you, your hard work and curiosity can change everything. So, what's your lesson today? Keep practicing English, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. Repeat these key phrases every day. I can learn English. Nothing is impossible. Small steps make big changes. And remember, every English word you learn is a step toward your dream. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to Modern Talk English and comment below your favorite line from today's lesson. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.